As we step into the future, we are faced with new challenges and opportunities. One such challenge is the impact of artificial intelligence on the job market. Many people are worried that AI will take away jobs from humans. But what if I told you that AI is not only creating jobs but also providing new opportunities for people to grow in their careers? Let's take a look at some of the ways AI is creating jobs for humans. One of the ways AI is creating jobs is by automating manual tasks, freeing up time for people to focus on more creative and strategic work. For example, AI can automate data entry and other repetitive tasks, allowing human employees to focus on problem solving and decision making. Another way AI is creating jobs is by creating new industries. With the rapid advancement of AI technology, new industries are emerging that require specialized skills, such as AI software development, data analysis, and machine learning. These industries provide new jobs opportunities for people with relevant skills, allowing them to grow and advance in their careers. Moreover, AI is also transforming traditional industries, creating new job opportunities for people with the right skills. For example, in the healthcare industry, AI is being used to diagnose disease and develop treatments, creating new jobs for healthcare professionals. In the manufacturing industry, AI is being used to improve production processes, creating new jobs for engineers and technicians. However, it's important to acknowledge that not all jobs will be created equally. The rise of AI will likely lead to the displacement of some jobs, particularly those that are low skilled or repetitive. But at the same time, it will create new jobs that require high levels of skills and expertise. This means we need to be proactive in ensuring that workforce has the skills and training necessary to adapt to this new world of work. In conclusion, AI is not just a threat to jobs. By automating manual tasks, creating new industries, and transforming traditional industries, AI is creating job opportunities for people with the right skills. So, if you are looking to grow in your career, consider exploring the exciting world of AI.